there's only three kinds of bugs. There's missing specification, incorrect specification, and incorrect implementation. Missing specification means I didn't tell you what it is. So if I don't tell you what you're supposed to build, how would you know to build it? That's the class of missing specifications. And then there's the, I specified it, but I didn't specify it right. So I told you to make it a red button when actually it should have been blue. I wrote down it should be red. And so when it comes to deploying into production, then we see, oh, wait a minute, that was the wrong color. Well, the developer did nothing wrong. Like the development process wasn't at fault. The fault was the incorrect specification. And then the last one is we specified it and we specified it correctly. And now it wasn't implemented correctly.
And that's where probably most people, non-technical people, probably assume that when there's a bug that's what happened, that a developer built it wrong.
Exactly. Like at the end of the day, it's an implementation problem. It's just a blanket statement, right? That's used for any kind of bug. It wasn't done properly.
And so what's your sense on where the real problem is in terms of proportional share of where most errors and defects come from?
So anecdotally, from my experience of having worked with many teams, it's rarely the incorrect implementation. I'd say that's about 20% of the time of being an incorrect implementation, because all the work is about understanding what it is you want to build and making sure that it's communicated correctly.